garden builder, and so this is the Orbit system, you know, the kind of do-it-yourself, because I don't have time for PVC. So this is supposed to be the layout. I just wanted to see what everything looked like. So this is how it should come down, and then this is the end spouts. Same kind of thing here. Now, pretty long. This is only half the kit too. Other half I'm going to use below on another yard down there, but this is just for the up top. So far it looks pretty big. I mean, definitely a lot of tubing here available. Has the cutters. So far so good. I'm going to do my layout, see what it is. I'm going to unfortunately cut up this whole lawn because it's not even the way I want it to be. So I figured, let me put in the right kind of sprinkler systems. I have these crappy ones here from the old owner, and I kind of buried them, made them a little bit better. I just don't like the look, and of course it cannot get anywhere near the middle, and on that side it's all lacking. So that's why I'm trying to switch over to this new system and get it done the right way. So here's the layout, you know, trying to put them as straight as possible. You see that one's bent or off center, that one too. It doesn't come with stakes. I thought it did. I thought I saw a video with it, but I had stakes. You know, what you got to figure is also it's going to be a lot further in the ground. So how far will it really go to? You know, right now these things are all the way up. I got to bury them. But you know what? The coverage seems pretty good. If this one, it's like this one's leaking a little bit or something. Hard to tell. I have done no adjustments to them. So this one's got to just come over this way and overlap this one. And hopefully the coverage is here. You know, I just don't, it's a little bit too cool out to be getting wet and adjusting these guys, so I have to do that on another day. So here's the system on. You know, you have to take into consideration the fact that these things are a lot higher up, you know, half the height of all of them. So right now, you know, they're kind of going over the spots where I'd like them. However, once I bury them, it's going to be quite different. Now, I'm going to probably have to put this one and those other two on angles, shooting up more because of the slope. That's something that nobody talks about in any of these videos. Everybody's got like the perfect yard. Unfortunately, mine's all sloped and I live on hills. So this is one of the reasons why I'm trying to smooth it out again, but there's like a lot of bumps here. So I'm unfortunately going to cut up this whole lawn. And that's why I said, you know what, let me do it the right way and bury this thing.